Nightmare on Edgewood has 3 different haunts inside of it. We're gonna take you through all 3 of them with us. Let's get in and get some scares.
But he just opened the door.
I don't have any. The rats got it. You all ate it last time.
Because you fed them to us.
Well,
she's got a poster.
Face, how are you?
Yeah, how are good?
That's Veronica. Uh-oh. Oh, the door's opening. What's that mean? Oh, there's...
Oh my. Oh God.
something in there.
God.
Thirsty. Oh, I'm not thirsty.
Hello there.
Hi.
How you doing today?
Great. Oh.
What's your special day? Get in there.
So Edgewood is obviously a full touch haunt. Run!
Oh, it's Real Killer. Thank you.
Real Killer. Yeah.
That is a Reiki toilet.
I about had that.
Oh God!
Folks, I can see it's a different movie.
It is.
a definite twist.
Wow. They're very entertained.
Oh my gosh, challenge! I've waited for you so long. Come.
Oh.
There's a little one in the attic. You're going to enjoy her so much. So please, right this way. On with the show.
Okay.
I
A little
don't
one
know
in
who
the
she is.
Little one
attic.
in the attic, my dear.
Must be the house. Oh God!
There's... Oh my.
Oh, I don't think that's the little one.
Of breaking into people's homes.
The door was open.
The most
Yeah.
appreciative of that, you know.
what?
Just the door's open doesn't mean it's an open invitation.
I beg to differ.
Big.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You got some good dinner going on in here.
Oh yeah.
You're
late for dinner!
I didn't do it. The door
You're
was
late!
open.
You're late for dinner!
Oh gosh. Well, I'm going this way.
I can't be
I'm
late.
getting that. I don't trust
Quick
it.
before she comes back.
Oh,
my.
For a fresh meat? And picked it fresh off the vine this night.
Vine?
Oh, yeah.
Can you do it?
What kind of vine does that grow on?
Oh God. Yeah.
Oh my.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Anybody got crack?
No.
No. Fresh out.
Oh God. I have been on crack for like 4 weeks. Ran out 2 days ago.
I can
Ready
tell.
for story time?
Yeah.
Story time's great. Here we go. Pay attention. Pop quiz at the end. Sarah's in the tub. Sarah said she had crack. Sarah lied. Sarah died. I have a dress now. Why do I have a dress?
Because Sarah lied.
Sarah lied about
The crack.
Fair enough. That one.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh my.
Here's the problem. Right? Ran out of crack. Sarah's dead. Right? Sarah's sister. Okay. She's got robbers. And she stole my crack. You're gonna go in there, get it back, tell I look good in the dress. Bring it back.
Oh no.
I ain't going in there.
You
Ready
have
for
a
duck, duck, goose?
challenge.
Oh no God.
Oh. Okay.
Duck.
Whoa. No, we don't have it. Do you have any crack? You have any crack? You gotta watch that one.
They're coming from both sides.
They told us to watch out for you.
Some curtain things?
Curtains.
Those
Those are beautiful.
I have one of these. I got these dolls.
Oh, thank you, little girl in the attic. Oh my gosh, the attic of the house. Oh, somebody's knocking on the door.
Oh, you look very pretty. So do you. Oh, you look very pretty. Oh, very tasty too.
Tasty? Oh no. What are you doing to me?
Your wife?
Little doohickey.
Your wife?
Doohickey.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's just beyond there. She really.
Is that your wife? Oh yeah. I can see that.
Help!
Oh God.
Help! There's a big factory.
Oh my.
We're trying to survive.
So this is the factory.
Oh no. They're partying in there though. I hear it.
I can hear the music. Yeah.
Great party? Okay.
No.
I don't believe you.
Well, go on it in. Come on down. You're the next contestant on.
No.
Who will we talk to next? Get in the game.
Get in the cage. Oh God.
Uh-oh. I don't think she likes your bright light. Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, she likes Lindsay. God. Oh no!
And my dear.
Oh.
Stupid teeth.
Oh, yeah.
That's great, honey.
That's what you want to call it. Uh-oh.
He's examining you.
Yes, I must let the merchandise.
The merchandise. The Muffin Man.
No, Rosie.
Oh, no. Oh.
Into the heartbeat.
Oh, no.
Help!
Oh God.
No. Oh, no, no, no.
Oh my.
Lindsay! There's something else in here.
Look out, Lindsay!
Over here!
Stand over here.
No.
Backs against the wall!
Shit.
Wow.
Yeah.
I heard him say ocular extraction at one point.
Yeah.
We kind of changed doctors a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
He likes his beats.
Oh,
I see that. I see that.
Oh, teeth. No, we gotta keep these. No. No. I'm just.
Oh, let's see. Open smile. Oh, I want that one. I've been watching you. I've been watching all of you. Come. I've been stuck in here. I want to see a little bit more excitement.
Woo!
I want to be entertained.
Yeah!
So, smile for the cameras. Make it exciting for me.
Yeah.
I'll come make the excitement myself.
I'm
okay?
excited.
Are you? Smile.
Everybody
He's got
smile.
lots of cameras.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm so happy to have you guys. You know what I do?
What do you do?
I create masterpieces. Yeah,
Like-
absolutely.
Oh my.
Now,
Oh my.
in order to create that masterpiece, I need to refill my red paint. Oh, Rodney.
That's like a shot.
Rotten meat. I know exactly where to put you.
Oh, shit.
Rotten meat.
Everybody,
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
get in there.
Oh God.
They're all in here! All my tables are full, do you understand how long it takes to process these bodies into barrels?
We're raw,
really,
so we
no.
don't need process.
We got shotgun wounds, we got slit throats, and we got hemorrhoids. It's all over the place.
Hemorrhoids.
Yeah,
The hemorrhoids do that.
yeah.
Oh God, aren't those contagious?
You got a great carotid artery right
Oh
there.
no.
Supposed to be in here, catcher inside.
Yeah, no, I can't read today.
Enter.
They didn't hire us because we could read.
No.
Don't it look good though?
No.
It'll burn your old face off.
Yeah, got that
yeah.
one.
Crawl.
Okay, head start. Oh no. Oh, this is really thick. There's zombies in that there swamp.
So this is the Conley Farm.
Welcome to the Conley Farm. Oh, by the way, this is Robert.
Hi, Robert. Oh, he doesn't bite, does he?
He likes.
Oh no.
They've been doing some extra special experimentation.
Oh,
that
experiments.
don't serve quite what they wanted. But, they keep trying all the time,
Oh.
Familiar faces.
Oh, I wouldn't know why. I was looking for you.
Now, this isn't the first time I'm seeing your face, is it?
No,
Now, how many times did I warn you about biting me?
a lot. Oh. You don't like that? No? Too much perfume. Okay. Oh no. There's spiders.
Oh, Spideys.
Ah! No, they're multiplying. Ah! No! Please, God dang it. Oh!
He looks angry.
That might, the spiders are getting to him.
Yep.
I don't know, this one ain't right. Watch out!
Hey, got Tracy.
He's got Tracy.
Well.
I didn't do it.
Some friendly folks again. Haven't I told y'all before I don't like when you be trespassing
are like family now, right? We've been here enough.
I guess that's true. I guess I ought to feed my family. Are you hungry?
No.
I got some real good food.
Yummy. Did you get your dinner? Because I got mine. That is a pig.
Oh my!
Why do they call them weapons? Oh, he's saying he's gonna cut it. Oh, animals. They're beautiful. Did you eat them all? No, you didn't. Okay. You're not gonna wear us.
There's Handsome.
Oh no.
Oh my!
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
If you're nice.
If you're nice. Oh God, the floor's missing.
They're hitting the
The
floor.
floor's missing.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Oh shit. She's
swinging at
trying
us.
to hit us down there.
Oh, the meat bear.
Hi, Mama.
You want to know how I like my meat cooked?
I guess.
I like it.
Oh no. Ooh, that's real.
Thirsty roam around this bar like you have, huh?
No, ma'am.
I think you look real thirsty.
No, ma'am.
Drink up!
No! I just got baptized. That's some cold water. Oh, look out, Tyler about got 8.
You a little hungry, little hand?
Yeah, I'll take the hand.
There's my strong hand, child.
Strong hand?
A little bit doggy?
They're very cold and hard. Oh no. Lindsay, Joanna, are you alive?
Oh, he's making him crawl.
And I question. Does this big cluster smell like bacon?
No.
It does not smell like bacon. Oh my. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ooh,
Oh,
that is a nasty spider. Oh God, I love the pumpkin. Look at the giant pumpkin.
Here's something growing. Oh God.
That was loud. Oh God. No.
You want to touch him today?
No, I don't.
Why?
I never want to touch it.
Yummy.
No, it bites.
Oh, yes, it does. It likes you.
No, it doesn't. It
It
does
might like
not.
Tyler, too. Come here,
I
Tyler.
don't know, maybe. They're growing pumpkins. That one's molding.
Oh yeah, we're getting close.
Oh my.
Oh God.
He's still following us.
Oh, whoa,
He's still
whoa,
following us. Oh God.
You're sneaky.
Who is that? Oh my.
I don't think she's any happier.
Excuse me, darling. I have a bone to pick with this one. You refuse my treatment.
Oh.
You don't refuse, Mama.
Hungry.
Oh, big cross. Big cross.
Oh God. What is that doing? What are you doing up there? Oh my God, that's so gross.
Oh God.
Stay back.
More too.
No.
So if you enjoyed Nightmare on Edgewood, I got another one for you right here. You are not going to want to miss it, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay scary.